Well, we're going to have another change on the homestead here. The chickens are going to be going to a new home. The ducks will be remaining though. But with my mom's shoulder replacement surgery, she's just not able to take care of the chickens as easily as before. Oh yes, loud duckies. So, and I'm not particularly attached to the chickens, so we made the decision for the chickens to go to a new home. So it'll just be the ducks and the rabbits from now on the homestead. I will miss a couple of these girls, but most of them, I don't care. Only 3 of them were mine. And only Half Pint, who's been here almost 5 years, is sweet. So, although this one's not too bad, she just picks on the others. But the duckies will be staying. I've been pulling the kale out of the garden, and as it has gone to seed, and giving it to these guys. They really like it. There's some potato peels here from canning as well, and they'll eat those. It might take them a day or two, but they do eat them.